You're watching RINROC TV. You're watching RINROC TV.
RINROC TV.
You're watching RINROC TV. You're watching RINROC TV.
RINROC TV.
What's up, everybody? It's your boy RINROC. Welcome to RINROC TV. Let's get it on. Let's have some fun. Let's go. What's up, family? What's up, everybody? Hope everybody had a great day today. And I hope everybody was blessed and was, being inspirational today. So, yeah, y'all, I'm glad that y'all can come in and check out the video and eat supper with me tonight. Eat some dinner with me tonight, y'all. And your boy RINROC, I did the cooking tonight. So this is what we're having for tonight's dinner. Fried chicken wings, sweet peas, and rice. But y'all, I like my rice with a little butter and sugar, so it's sweet rice. Check it out, y'all. Alright. So before we get started, man, I'm going to say, Dear Lord, thank you for the food that we're about to receive. In your name, I say amen, 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 and amen. Amen, and amen. I love saying that word, y'all. But, yeah, let's dig into this here. Now, mind y'all, I'm going to show y'all one main ingredient I did to season my chicken with. And this is it right here. Backyard all-purpose seasoning. That's it, y'all. Backyard. This little stuff from the backyard. Y'all know. Yeah, so that's what I season my chicken with. A little salt, a little pepper, some of the basic stuff. But let's dig in, y'all. While I'm digging in, man, I hope y'all digging in at home. Checking it out at, watching me while y'all eating y'all supper at home. But yeah, this is how the rice look nice and white. It's got a little glaze to it because I got a little sugar in it with the butter. Y'all know. See, and then the sweet peas, I got just a little salt and pepper on it while it was cooking. And then afterwards, I just sprinkle a little pepper. How the chicken wing look, though. Nice and golden, flaky. Yeah. So, what's been going on with y'all today? What has been going on with everybody? I see everybody out there grinding in the YouTube streets. It's good to see everybody being great. Boy, I try to be great every day. I'm trying to be like y'all. I'm trying to be great. Chicken got a good flavor to it, Your boy RINROC did good. Let me get something right in my hands. chicken. I like eating chicken wings out of all the parts of the chicken because it's just a little fun to eat with. You know. How many of y'all like the chicken wings? Or y'all just like the I forgot what they call this part. That sweet rice is on point, y'all. The boy hot because I did the cooking tonight. And I had my guy over here, Grayson, he stayed the weekend with us. And I don't know if y'all know kids that game a lot. They like to game and eat at the same time while they gaming. I guess they feel they're killing two birds with one stone. Before I forget, y'all, this is what I'm drinking tonight. Best choice fruit punch. That's what I'm drinking tonight, y'all. This is the part I like to eat right here when I eat wings. Let me see what I'm gonna say before I forget it. I like to thank my boy P. Price for bringing me this great Smoky Mountain t-shirt right here. Back as a souvenir when he went on his little family outing with his family. Appreciate you for that, P. Price. Yeah, this stuff is good. Every now and then your boy do pretty good in the kitchen, you know. Every now and again. Yeah, y'all. And while y'all at it, y'all go ahead on and hit that time sack. Go on and hit that thumbs up. And if you're new to the channel, you're new to watching my videos and coming to the house of RINROC, go ahead on and post all notifications. Just hit that bell, you know. And if you can't do that, you can always go back and catch a replay. And like I always tell y'all, hit the thumbs up, post all notifications, and leave a comment right down there. Just that simple. Don't cost you nothing. Yeah, that's free, y'all. Y'all also got to holler at your boy RINROC on Instagram. Yeah, I'll be over there too. That's where I go over there act silly, y'all. I go over there act silly. I think your boy RINROC did his thing this time, y'all. I can't say I ain't gonna brag because it's me, but I'm bragging because it's me. Best choice fruit punch. Cheers to y'all. Yeah, y'all. But I figure y'all probably want to sit down with your boy and have a little supper with me, you know. And I definitely appreciate y'all stopping by the house of RINROC and, you know, just hanging out with your boy while I eat a little bit of supper. I hope you was where you at eating some supper and all that good stuff. But love is love. let go and let God. RINROC family, keep on being great, keep on inspiring. I dare everybody that's watching this video to keep being great and keep inspiring and keep giving love to whoever you need to give that love, greatness, and inspiration to. Alright, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next video, man. Thank y'all for checking out your boy, man. Holla at me on the RINROC Morning Wake Up Show Monday through Friday at 8:30. Don't miss it. Be there, be square. I holla at y'all. It's your boy, RINROC Gang Gang.